I got into the habit of not smiling. Most of the people around me were used to seeing my teeth like that. My teeth were cracked, they were falling apart. I had a lot of subpar dental work done and that was failing. A lot of root canals, a lot of cavities. So I knew for a long time that I just needed to get implants and just get the stuff out of there. It was causing headaches, it was causing a lot of other problems physically for me. I didn't have potato chips for probably 12 years. Snicker bars were out of the question. No peanuts, no pretzels, nothing crunchy. Couldn't eat pizza crust. So I had to limit what I ate quite a bit. And I was ashamed of what was in there. So I had that, there was a little bit of fear of judgment too. Like, hey, how did this guy let it get this bad?
Andrew came in with a large number of concerns. He had teeth that were just failing. They were painful, they were breaking. He really could not smile. He didn't want to show anybody his teeth. His upper teeth at that point were basically not savable. And so we knew that we were going to be doing dental implants. We were going to be doing a zirconia bridge on those dental implants. We also wanted to make sure that he had teeth the entire time, and we really didn't want to go to a denture for him. We wanted something that would work in between.
The ability to talk to people and not want to stop talking because I don't want them to notice my teeth, or talk to people and be proud of the way I look. Having my new teeth has definitely boosted my confidence, made me feel a lot better. I'm very happy with the results of my procedure here at Dakota Dental, and I would always come back and refer anybody to this fantastic place.